I'm here with Tom from Brimstone. Thanks for having us on the stand here today, Tom.
Pleasure.
Perhaps you could tell us a bit about Brimstone and what you do.
Sure. Yeah, Brimstone is essentially a thermally modified British hardwood. So I guess the unique element of this product is that it is a British-grown timber product. Obviously, if you look around the show here, you'll see lots of imported products from Siberia and from Africa and from Holland. And you know, we are really passionate about using our own resources in this country. And the thermal modification process essentially allows us to turn our white hardwoods into something that can be used outside and inside, and it's durable and it's stable, and it's very much the way the whole timber industry is going. You will see around here lots and lots of modified and engineered products rather than just sawn lumps of timber.
Yeah.
So this is really making sure that British timber plays a part in that future of the industry.
Yeah. In the sort of engineered wood sphere.
Yeah.
So are these some examples of different types of engineered wood that you produce?
Yeah. So the three, we're using three species at the moment. Ash is probably the most popular at the moment. And we also use poplar and we use sycamore as well.
Yeah.
So these are all white hardwoods grown between sort of within 50 and sometimes 100 miles of our sawmills in Wiltshire. They're all relatively fast growing but underused hardwoods. So they were planted for things like our furniture industry and our matchmaking industry and our pulp industry, none of which really exist anymore. So a lot of these trees are actually literally going to waste. They're being left in the woodlands, unmanaged and just being left to rot. So you know, our mission really is to find commercial use for these timbers again, and we think the thermal modification process is that solution.
Yeah. And so thinking about where they might be used, what might someone want to use poplar or ash or the sycamore for?
So the biggest market at the moment for us is timber cladding, because you know so many buildings are now using timber cladding for the facades. And we had a client here this morning who wants to go up the wall and right over the roof and down the other side.
So you've got a sort of streamlined wood
exactly,
all
the whole way round. Yeah.
Nice.
And the great thing about these products is that they are, as well as being durable, so you can use them outside without any chemicals or treatment, they're also very, very stable. So they'd stay very straight even when used outside.
They don't sort of warp at all?
No, exactly, they don't. Or much less so than non-modified wood. You could also use the ash for decking, be another use.
It's got quite a nice grain
it has,
throughout the ash, hasn't it?
And it's quite hard. And they've also got down in the corner there a prototype window frame. There's also some elements here. So we are testing at the moment the gluing and the engineering and the finger jointing and laminating of these products, so they can then be used in window frames, door frames, and other elements like that. And also sort of external furniture,
some sort of inbuilt seating within a sort of decking area.
Yeah. So you could actually have cladding, decking, and the furniture all made out of the same timber.
And that would create quite nice, smooth, seamless lines.
Yeah. But I suppose the thing that we really want to push is the fact that this is, it's a British-grown product that connects directly with the woodland.
Yeah.
So I think what a lot of people forget, being an importing nation, is we bring this wood from all over the world, and that's great for their woodlands, whether it's America or Africa or Siberia, and we're supporting their woodlands. But actually, we've forgotten how to support our own woodlands in this country. Yeah. And there's now a sorry lack of companies able to process this material and bring it to market, and we're probably one of the last big remaining sawmills that can do that. So it's Tom, our mission and our responsibility to do this.
I agree with you. Well, Tom, thank you so much for your time. It's been really interesting to find out more about the different woods that you do, and also the fact that you're British and based in Wiltshire. So thank you very much for your time, and I hope the show goes well for you. You too.